Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got something a little bit different. It is going to be nail related, but it's also going to be chocolate related as well. So how many of you have heard about the Dubai chocolate bar? Now this chocolate bar has gone viral. Everyone is going crazy for it. So I thought, what better way to introduce this Dubai chocolate bar into the nail community by doing a set of Dubai chocolate nails, because some of these bars look so pretty, and I just thought it would be something a little bit fun to do a set of nails inspired by them. But not only am I going to do a set of nails inspired by them, I also reached out to a really lovely company on TikTok called Edgehill Luxury, and I sent them a message to see if they fancied collaborating, and they said yes. And oh my god guys, wait and see what they have sent. Now I'm going to have to cover this up because it's got my address on there, but this is how it came packaged. Really well packaged. So yeah, they've only gone and sent this gorgeous gift wrapped parcel, guys. Look at this. Thank you for your order. Thank you for supporting our small business. I love that it's a local business, and I love that it's a small business as well. I am all for supporting small local businesses. Beautiful, isn't it? Comes really well packaged as well. We've got loads of bubble wrap in here. So let's get it open and see what's inside, shall we? Ooh. So we've not only gone and sent the Dubai chocolate bar, guys, they've also gone and sent their filling as well. Now, the filling doesn't exactly look too appealing, does it? But let me tell you, if it tastes anything like the Dubai chocolate bars that I've already tried, this filling is going to be divine. I have heard some really good comments and reviews about this Edgehill Luxury Dubai chocolate bar. I've heard some amazing reviews, so I can't wait to try it. Now, I do just want to say, I've had this sat in my fridge now for about 4 days, and it's killed me not to open this. But I really wanted to open it all on camera because they've made it look so beautiful. I really want to open it on camera. And if I start tucking into it, it's just all the wrapping's going to get ripped and everything. So I've been really, really good. So what my idea is, guys, I want to do 2 sets of nails actually. I want to do one on my right hand, one on my left hand. The one on my left hand is going to be a really simple everyday wear kind of design. Still Dubai chocolate bar inspired, but a design that is more wearable for everyday use. Where my right hand, I really want to go all out with this set, as in 3D nail art, the lot. And then at the end of the video, I want to do the Dubai viral chocolate bar break, showing both of the sets of nails. So let's get this open and have a look at it, and then we kind of know what we're working with design wise. I will also leave links as well, guys, in my description box below. If anyone's interested in trying the Dubai chocolate bar, it is available to buy on TikTok shop, but the links will be in my description box anyway. Look at this, look, we've got loads of little thank yous. I love this. It's beautiful. Thank you for supporting my small business. Oh wow, this is so thick. You've got all your ingredients there as well. Anyone wants to have a little look through those. Your nutritional information as well. Oh wow, this is huge. Look at the thickness of that. Wow. So you see what I'm saying? I didn't want to take this off and rip it all. So I've been really good not rip into it. Again, you've got bubble wrap around it to keep it from breaking. It's very, very well packaged. It also arrived very quick as well. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. Thank you. If you loved your order, please leave a review. Guys, look at the size of this. Oh my days. Oh. So, let's get tucked in, shall we? Ooh. Don't really want to rip this too much. As much as I think I'm going to love it, I don't think I'm going to be able to eat it all in one sitting. So I want to be able to wrap it back up. Oh, I can see it already. I can smell it. It smells divine. I'm really desperate not to rip all this. Oh, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. So it's got like metallic bronze on there. It's got metallic blue flecks on there. You can see the odd little green fleck as well. Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, look at the thickness of this chocolate bar. Wow. You don't know how tempted I am right now to break a bit off and eat it. But I don't want to, because I don't want to ruin that final clip of breaking the chocolate bar and hearing that beautiful crunch with 2 sets of beautiful nails. So at least we know what we're working with now. So we're working with like bronze metallic and blue metallic flecks. Perfect. That is all I really needed to see. Wow, that chocolate smells beautiful. We will also be taking a look at the filling as well at the end of the video. I just want to show you here. Big massive pot full, guys. Look at this. Chock-a-block full. And that smells so good. If you like pistachio, guys, you are gonna love this. Love it. So let's get started the nails, shall we? So I think I'm going to start off by doing the simple everyday wear sort of set first. I'm just going to get set up, guys, and then we'll get cracking. Right, guys, so I've pulled out Green Guru from Madam Glam. I think that is the closest pistachio kind of colour I've got. And then Madam Glam's brown gel paint. So we're going to start off by using Green Guru. I'm going to give a full coat of that to my ring fingernail. And I'll give that a cure in the lamp. 30 seconds. So that's all fully cured. Now I'm going to use the brown gel paint. Now I just want to give this a bit of a mix up, guys, because I haven't used it in a while. So if you haven't used your paints in a while, just give them a good stir. And then I'll pop some of that on my palette. So I've pulled out Madam Glam's application brush. And I'm going to paint a full coat of that on the thumbnail. Give that a cure. And then on these 3 nails, I'm going to paint the tips. That's why I've left these tips on, just so I can use them as a guide. I'm going to paint these tips with the brown. Just like that. Then I'll do these other 2 off camera, guys, just to save a little bit of time. Right, guys, so that's the tips all painted, the thumbs all painted in the brown, and they're all fully cured. Now I want to go in with another coat, but this time I'm not going to cure this coat. Same with these French tips as well. I'm not curing these yet. Just like that. Now I'm going to add a little bit of that green guru to my palette. Only a teeny tiny bit. I don't need a lot at all. Plenty. Pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush, which is this one. And we're just going to run the brush through that green guru. I just want to do little squiggly lines. And we're going to do the same on the tips as well. So now on this green now, guys, I want to do some chocolate drips. So I've pulled out my dotting tool pen. I'm just going to do drip there, drip there, drip there, drip there. Then I'm going to take my striping brush. I'm just going to pull up from them dots like this. Go around this cuticle area. And then we're going to join the drips. Now when we join these drips, guys, we want these to be kind of arched, so it looks like they're glooping downwards. Just like that. We don't want it to be like squared off. Just like that. Right guys, so that's where we've got to so far. I do just want to add a little bit of bronze and flecks of blue, just so it makes it more inspired by my chocolate bar. So to do that, I'm just going to add a couple of little flecks of bronze foil leaf. Not too much, I don't want to overdo it, I just want a tiny little bit, right about. Just like that. And then I also want to add a little bit of blue grain powder, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that yet because I don't want it to rub in. I just want like little flecks of it. So I'm thinking maybe top coat and then just flick a little bit into the top coat. We'll see how it works, shall we? These are all ready for top coat as well now anyway, guys, so we'll get them top coated and then we'll see how I can do that little bit of blue. So I'm going to use Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Alright, get them a cure first. So now we'll do the thumb. And then before I cure that, so that is them ones all finished, guys. What do you think? I think that looks really cool, don't you? And then we've got the green marbling through the brown tips. So yeah, that's them ones done, guys. Now we're going to do my right hand. I am obviously going to have to do that as a part 2. Otherwise the video is just going to be way too long for you guys to want to watch it. But what I will do is I'll put part 2 out tomorrow, so you haven't got to wait too long to see these bad boys finished. Then at the end of that video, we're going to do the viral Dubai chocolate bar break, showing the nails. So if you enjoyed this one, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. Like I said earlier, I will put the link to buy this Dubai chocolate bar from Edgehill Luxury TikTok shop in my description box. And I'll also leave the names to all the products that I've used today in there as well. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for the Madam Glam website also. So I'll make sure that's in there as well. And I think that is everything. So if you enjoyed this one, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. That way you'll be notified when I upload tomorrow's video. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.